heading into Tower of Terror.
それではここでその謎の鍵を握る彼の最後の記者会見の録音をお聞きください。
私は莫大な金をかけ命を危険にさらしてこいつを手に入れた。原住民の皆様方は手放すのを嫌がったがね。
ハイタワーさん、それは呪いの偶像だと言われてますよね。
呪いの偶像だと？バカバカしい。シリキ・ウトゥンドゥの呪いは本物だ。これ以上先に行ってはならん。私と同じ運命になるぞ。私の忠告を聞け。呪いは本物だ。シリキ・ウトゥンドゥの目が。早く逃げろ。まだ間に合う。一番愚かだったのはこの私だ。世界中の珍しいものを集めることに心を奪われ、我が身の破滅を招いてしまったのだ。私はあの恐怖を永遠に超えるなのだ。呪いの偶像だと。
Okay. So many steps down, I didn't realize we were so high up. Repair store. There's not much merch for this ride, but here's the few things they do have. That and a bag.
So we just got off Tower of Terror, Tokyo DisneySea, and there are a couple of great things about this ride, and then there are a couple of kind of crappy things about this ride. The ride itself, the theming and everything inside is fantastic, absolutely fantastic. And it has the, I think, randomized drop sequence, just like the Tower of Terrors at home. It's a totally different story than the ones at home, for sure. It's really good.
Yeah,
The story is
I
good.
really like the story.
Here's what I don't like. This thing takes forever to load. I
Yeah.
mean, forever.
They have a lot of safeties. A lot of
And
safeties.
I understand safety, right? Okay, but like they made us check our seatbelts at least 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, it was 3 times.
And the bad thing about these seatbelts is they go across your shoulder.
It's like riding in a car.
Yeah, it's not just a lap belt, so you don't get that feeling of like free floating, which is the part I really don't like.
Yeah.
And like I said, again, I get safety, so but when you're checking your seatbelts, they make you pull. There's like 2 yellow straps on the bottom part. You have to pull both of those, and then you have to pull your shoulder strap, and you've got to show her like 2 or 3 times. And that's what slows down the loading. I mean, it really
takes a long time to
forever. I don't know if there's a better way to do it. I don't know if they can tell if the seatbelts are locked in or not. I don't know what's going on there, but it's really strange.
Yeah. I would say it took over 5 minutes.
At
to load,
least.
yeah.
I mean, it just takes way too long to load. And like I said, you don't get that feeling of free falling because your shoulder's strapped in. These are the things that I don't like about this ride, which is why I still love the Tower of Terror in Orlando best. That is my favorite TOT. I do like this one. The story's great. They just need to work on those seatbelts.